Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Baking Secrets by Anna. In today's video we are going to make red velvet cupcakes. They are so easy to make and that cream cheese frosting on top is just delicious. So let's get started. For the cupcakes you will add in a big bowl your butter and sugar. You'll mix this using a hand mixer until it's nice and creamy. Now add in your eggs, vanilla, oil, and buttermilk. You're going to mix this for 1 minute until everything is well combined. Add in your salt, baking soda, cocoa powder, and all-purpose flour. You are going to mix this for about 1 to 2 minutes until everything is well incorporated. Now add in your red food coloring. It's better if you use paste color because liquid food coloring usually thins out the batter. Now continue mixing. Scrape the sides of the bowl using a spatula and then mix one more time to make sure that everything is well combined. Using an ice cream scooper, you're going to scoop about 1 tablespoon of the mixture in each paper case. You're going to bake this for 20 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. In a big mixing bowl you will add your butter. It needs to be at room temperature so it will be easier to cream. Then you're going to add your cream cheese and you're going to mix this using a hand mixer for 2 to 3 minutes until nice and creamy. Now you're going to add your vanilla extract and half of the icing sugar. You're going to add the rest of the icing sugar later and then continue mixing for 2 to 3 minutes until nice and creamy. Our buttercream is done and we are ready to decorate our cupcakes. You can either decorate your cupcakes using a piping bag or you can scoop some of the buttercream on top of each cupcake. You can decorate your cupcakes however you want. I will use some red heart sprinkles and then sprinkle them on top. Our cupcakes are ready. You can find all of the tools I use in the description box below. Thank you for watching guys, hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's video.